Move, Brandon.
Watch, Brandon.
Casper and Astro's first snow. Babies! Look at their little paw prints. Look at Astro. Look at that baby.
No, look at
Astro! They're playing.
Look, watch.
Don't. Okay,
Don't make them scared of it.
Quit. Babies! Go away, Brandon.
Come on, see what they do.
Stop, Brandon.
Move, Brandon. I think I want to get the dogs instead of you.
They're right next to each other, too.
Babies!
They're like tracking. Don't!
Quit!
Brandon, you're gonna make them scared of it.
Alright, come on.
Boys!
Stop.
Brandon!
Hey, Brandon, you're gonna make them sick and die.
Knock it off
I
of
told
him
you
now.
once and you do it again.
Get the snow off of them.
Brandon. Yeah, that's real funny. He's got it in his eye and
Oh,
stuff,
look
Brandon.
at Casper.
Yeah. Come here, Casper.
They ain't scared of it. They're just.
They're cold now.
Ooh, wait. I'll take that blanket and wrap them up. Go get the blanket, Brandon. Wrap them up in the blanket.
Come on, Casper.
Astro Joseph!
Now.
Stop, Brandon. You can't put them in there. You'll get yourself wet.
And cut.